Alright guys, today's going to be a super short video. Pretty much the charts are looking the same as yesterday, but we did get an update on the Russell 2K. Some levels got tapped, and we got some interesting stuff in the order books. So we'll go ahead and touch on that today. Real quickly, I might as well say I'm going to be in the Discord actually playing some video games. Added a new channel down there for GTA 5 because we have ported over models for some meme coins. So we're going to be making clips in there. If you want to have some fun with us, join in the VC. Feel free to check out top link in the description down below. Come join the community and have some fun with us over there. Now let's go ahead and quickly talk about what we're seeing over here on Bitcoin, and it's playing out kind of how I expected it to yesterday. We talked about how this low area was looking good, but I expected one more sweep down, and that's kind of what happened. You can see we did in fact sweep these lows from where those long positions had opened. And after doing so, we have gone ahead and gotten back above volume. So you see on the daily time frame, I have added this secondary volume level because this is the new point of control. You know, as price is traded here, it's created more volume. So that's where we are going to be looking to find support at, and we have gotten above that level. So let's see if this can hold. Structurally, this is looking pretty good. I wouldn't be surprised at all if this is the trend break and we start going up and hunting all-time highs. But just so we're aware, in the order books, we do have some big selling pressure. Now, could this be a spoof fall? Absolutely could. So we'll just have to see how it does play out. But we do have a big seller looking to take a short there for 600 Bitcoin. Is 600 Bitcoin really enough to impact the markets? No, but it is definitely a worthy amount to mention. So we'll see how that does play out. I wouldn't be too concerned about it. Just FYI, it is there, and I still see the possibility of us going lower and, you know, sweeping more long positions. You can see on Trading Light, we didn't close out a ton of longs with this secondary sweep down or anything like that. It was mainly to actually close out the positions on Bybit USD pairs. So if we go over to CoinEgg, let me pull up this chart, and let's go over here. You can see, look at that. This is where the longs were opened. Right there, you see the open interest spike up with CVD, and then as we come down for this kind of secondary sweep, you see the open interest drop, and that is closing out all of these longs from Bybit USD. So that's kind of why we swept the level we did, and why I'm definitely a little bit more bullish now, thinking the low's probably in because we flushed the longs. It's time to head on up. Bitcoin's still in honey badger mode, in my opinion, especially when we jump out to some of our other charts, such as the Russell. We talked about how this was likely to come to point of control, and this is where I wanted to see it bounce and for us to head on up. And we are starting to see that bounce here on the point of control. So nice to see that the Russell doesn't have any reason to pull back to test any more levels. We already tested it, and we have a nice wick off the level. So assuming the Russell can continue up here with the rest of traditional finance, I think Bitcoin is going to follow. And like I've been saying, I think we got some really exciting times ahead of us. But yeah, that's pretty much it for today. That's all I wanted to say. Don't want to waste any of your guys' time when the charts are looking very similar to yesterday. So with that being said, if you have any questions about anything I just talked about, or just want to join the community for this channel, link to my Discord is at the top of the description down below. Also have a VIP Discord. I actually just uploaded a weekly video that I'm going to be doing for that today. So if you want to go check that out, feel free to click on that link, read more about it, decide for yourself if it's worth your money or not. And then also a bunch of exchanges down below as well. Feel free to use my referral links to sign up to get yourself some nice rewards and bonuses. But with that being said, thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.